Welcome to our nail art tutorial video. In this video, we will guide you through 5 beautiful color combinations for your nails. You see this design how much beautiful and you create the best looks. Black and brown color use this so much beautiful. Gray color attractive this design. If you prefer earthy tone or brown and black, design is perfect for you. Black and white. Let's start with the classic black and white design. Apply base coat on your nails and create intricate white patterns using a thin brush or dotting tool. Green and black. Next up, we have trendy green and black style. Apply a vibrant green polish as the base color and add black accents using a stripper, brush or nail art tape. Third, gray and black. For an elegant look, try our gray and black design. Apply a light gray polish as the base color and create geometric patterns using black nail polish or acrylic paint. Brown and black. If you prefer earthy tones, our brown and black design is perfect for you. Apply a rich brown polish as the base color and add black detail using a fine brush or toothpick. Finally, let's go bold with our red and black design. Apply a vibrant red polish as the base color. Create intricate black pattern using a strip brush or a nail art pattern. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget like and subscribe.